Yep, part arrived. Nope, this is number 22. All right, power supply install. Yep, and he's the other person who called. And we'll get this done, get this out of here, and then we'll get this cleaned up. You can see, not very clean. That over there. All right, so we tested this at the front counter. Power supply tested, no bueno. And it's got the ketchup and mustard cables, so you know it's high quality power supply from CyberPower. Sure, Emily. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. All right, we got to cut some cables to get this out of here. So we tested this power supply at the front counter. We'll do it again so you guys can see it. And just to, you know, sanity check myself. This is good. I mean, look at it. That is not camera distortion. I don't know, Emily. We'll see. So what are we going to need to put on here? We are going to need one Molex. Yeah. And then that's our GPU power connector. And this is dropped off. All right. That. And let's get this thing out of here. It looks, if I had to guess, someone swapped this power supply once before, because none of these screws are actually tightened down all the way. So we have a Thermaltake. Yeah, I wonder what happened to it. Well, that bad boy is DEED dead. All right, we're putting a Corsair 750 watt power supply in its place. So the cables that we need, that we know of out of here, are going to be huh. Yeah, if you had a Taqueria Manuel near you, you would change your life. Alright, so we have CPU power, we need that. This is the other CPU power. I know we need a single Molex. Doesn't look like we need SATA. Do not need that. I think it automatically ends up in your recommended when you're streaming, because I think it shows up in mine too. Single PCI Express, 24-pin power. Here's the actual power supply. Yeah. Like that place that I was at today, so insanely good. What's that? All right, so let's run these cables, because this is going to go in last. We have our, which one is this? So PCIe power, it's going to go right there. We have a single Molex, which is going to go right here, and we'll recable manage that together. We do need a single SATA. That 24-pin power can go right there, and then CPU. So let's flip this over, get everything plugged in, and then cable manage, and call them and say, hey, come pick up your amazingly awesome computer. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, now we plug them all into the power supply. Yeah, like when you have like legit, like, hey, these are what tacos started out as, you're like, oh, so what I've been eating is like a pale imitation of what real tacos should be like. Taqueria Emanuel in Tampa is by far, I've eaten at thousands of taco places, and no place can even come close to Taqueria Emanuel. Everything's made fresh daily. Like, all of their sauces are made daily. All of their tortillas are made daily. Their barbacoa is steamed, or is heated overnight to cook. Oh, it's so good. Like, I'm gonna drive back up there tonight and get more. Screw it. Just want more. I only got to have 3 because I bought them for a business. All right, so let's work this back in here. Yeah, the stuff that we eat here that is called tacos in America is just a vessel for cheese, unfortunately. And order a replacement for this today. Yeah, it's this little hole in the wall place that's like half the size of my office, and I have never had tacos so good my entire life. Hey, if you guys want a driver, I'll come pick you guys up and we'll do that. It's worth it. You just gotta pay for gas. I'll do all the driving. If I ever do like a fan meetup, it's gonna be at that restaurant. And they're gonna hate me. They kind of hated me today Not gonna lie, because I walked in and I'm like, I need 60 tacos. And they were like, 40 minutes, please. I said, no problemo. Take-o your time-o. There you go. Emily, you can fly, if you fly over here, we'll go there, okay? When we do spec con, that sounds real bad. When we do, I mean, if I keep going there as often as I have been lately, yeah. All right, let's keep going this. Yeah, Emily, you come here for spec con whenever that happens, because, you know, we're going to be the #1 channel for computer and technology repair in the world. And everyone's going to want it. Hey, this is broken. Let's fix it. Let's fix it together. Okay, I think we're done. Let's give it a test. And we'll turn on my compressor and we'll blow this out. It's got a little bit of dust going on. That's what I want to be. I don't want to be like, I don't want to be famous for like random things, or I want to be famous for building computers and fixing computers. That's my goal. And whatever technological devices we end up with. That's what I want. Yes. Hey, I drive to North Dakota every year from Florida, so if I can do that, you can do this. I mean, you'll have to provide your own silly hats. Hi, it's Cody. Hey, it's Chris over at the computer shop. Good, your computer's ready to go. Alrighty, have a good one. Bye. Done. One dead power supply replaced. Let's shut this thing off. And get it blown out. And then get it out of here.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/Bradenton PC Repair. If you want to learn more about my services, you can check out BradentonPCRepair.com. And if you have questions when I'm not streaming, you can get a link to our Discord down in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.